Time to work. Right in front of me, I got I turned over a garbage truck. I think it's somewhere over there. We're about to go check it out right now. I don't even know what this is. It looks like a very old garbage truck. Probably 90s or something. What is it? I don't want to get too close to it because there are wires everywhere. Guys, when you go to an accident like this and you see electrical wires involved, be super careful. Just double check everything yourself. Look for smoke, sparks, anything that can be alive. The power should be off by the time you get there, but you never know. Just double check everything yourself. Go around the truck, go very slow, because you never know.
Yeah. You think we'll make it under this?
There's blood everywhere, I think. Yeah, hopefully the driver is okay. Oh boy. That looks a little tight there. Guys, they waste no time. They got the new pole ready to go. So the plan is to drag it over this way. We want the wheels facing that way. We're gonna have one track on this side and the other track on this side. We're gonna use this truck to flip it back on the wheels. Let me show you what I just did. We got a chain dust box right there. That right there. So to prevent that from opening, when we flip the truck over, we got a chain holding it right there. So that chain is going to hold it. We got the chain going all the way to the other side of the frame, under here somewhere. This is going to prevent the box to open up on us when we flipping the truck over. Okay. We're going to pull the draw shaft out too right now that we have it on the side like that. It'll make it a lot easier. Let's do that. So check it out. It's one of those draw shafts that we hate. We need that special tool to pull these out. Where is it? Oh, right here.
No, the gun.
Oh, the gun. Oh, use the gun on it?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, so that tool push it down, it pushes, that drops it down from here?
Yeah, now. Knock out.
Okay.
No.
That.
Push it off.
We gotta pull this out too?
No. this one.
Oh. Oh, boy, that's gonna be a problem.
See, when you're under the truck, usually you move the drive
Yeah,
shaft.
you can turn it.
Gotta give it a hand.
Yeah, very good. It's coming forward with no problem at all. Perfect. Alright, so as soon as I done there, we're gonna start flipping this over back into the wheels. Let me show you what we got back here. So at first we had it hooked up. We hooked up to this lifting point here, but when we started lifting up, we noticed how this was bending right there. Okay. Now what we did, we got this chain going all the way to the other side, and it's hooked up right into the frame. Let me show you real quick. So that chain is this chain right here, and it goes under the body away from the fuel tank because you don't want to rip that off. And then I got this other truck hooked up right here. This is the cashing lines. I'm gonna cash it with this. I got the caging bolts in the chamber already, but they're not all the way in yet. You don't want to release the brakes yet, because when you flip the truck over, it might roll on you, so you don't want that to happen. We'll just put them in, leave them in there, just to make it easier later on to release the brakes. Alright, we got it back on the wheels. It sucks I couldn't get this on video, but yeah, my phone was dying. Alright, so now we just gotta pull the front this way, and I'll be hooking up to the front right here with the chains. We disconnected like 3 batteries, but there was one that we couldn't take off, and as soon as we flipped the truck over, it just started smoking. So now Mike is trying to just cut the wires off and pull it out of there, because you don't want to take it like that. The whole truck would catch on fire. That wouldn't be good. Still? Come on. Nice.
Hey, what's going on?
That's it. Oh. Yeah, I think this one's still. Oh no, that's why you got off.
This was hitting this.
Yeah, okay. Alright, good.